For centuries, black holes have been the universe's greatest enigma, a place where physics breaks down and light itself cannot escape. Today, June 18th, 2025, that mystery has cracked open. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye, has done the impossible it has seen inside a black hole. This is a story of relentless curiosity and a discovery that will reshape our understanding of reality. For generations, the event horizon was a barrier to knowledge, a cosmic curtain we could only imagine beyond. But now, for the first time, we have answers. This breakthrough stands with the moon landing and the discovery of DNA, a fundamental shift in our perception of the cosmos. The questions that haunted physicists and philosophers are finally yielding. We are living in the era that pulls back the curtain on one of the universe's most profound secrets. The journey here required a machine of unprecedented complexity, launched 1 million miles from Earth. Thousands of brilliant minds united to see the unseen, to catch the faintest light from the dawn of time. That light and a bit of cosmic luck has revealed the impossible. The abyss is no longer just a shadow, it's a window. Welcome to Cosmic Discoveries. Today, we unravel the black hole, one of the universe's most fascinating objects. A black hole is where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. Imagine a star many times heavier than our sun, crushed into a space the size of a city. When such a star dies, its core collapses, triggering a supernova, and what's left is a singularity, an infinitely dense point. This singularity creates a gravitational well so deep nothing can climb out. The event horizon marks the edge, the point of no return. Cross it, and you're lost forever. Black holes have two main parts: the singularity at the center and the event horizon surrounding it. Anything, planet, star, or light, that crosses the event horizon is trapped. These cosmic prisons warp space and time, challenging our understanding of physics. They are invisible, yet their power shapes galaxies. For decades, they've been a source of endless fascination and a profound scientific challenge. Today, we're closer than ever to unlocking their secrets. Why has it been impossible to see inside black holes? The answer is simple. Light can't escape. We see the world because light bounces off objects and reaches our eyes or telescopes. But at a black hole's event horizon, gravity is so strong that even light is trapped. It's like a room with no windows or doors. No light escapes, so nothing inside can be seen. Black holes appear black, visible only by their effect on nearby stars and matter. We detect them by watching stars orbit invisible points, or by the energy from matter spiraling in. But all this is indirect, like seeing smoke but never the fire. Einstein's equations describe the outside, but at the singularity the math breaks down. We needed a new way to look, a tool to bypass the problem of trapped light. Scientists dreamed of probing this region, to test theories and perhaps discover new physics. That dream is now reality. The veil has finally lifted. Understanding what lies within a black hole is science's ultimate challenge. The problem isn't just technology, it's the very fabric of reality. General relativity predicts a singularity, but infinities signal our theories are incomplete. Many believe a theory of quantum gravity is needed, uniting Einstein's gravity with quantum mechanics. But without observation, these ideas were speculation. The region outside the event horizon is chaotic. Gravity bends light, distorting our view. It's like peering through warped glass, making clean signals hard to find. The obstacles, the event horizon traps light, our theories break down at the core, and the environment scrambles information. Overcoming this required more than a bigger telescope. It needed a new way to see. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope. The impossible was about to become possible. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is a marvel of human engineering. Launched in 2021, it orbits 1 million miles from Earth, peering into the universe's depths. Unlike Hubble, JWST sees in infrared, perfect for viewing distant, hidden, or ancient objects. As the universe expands, light from the earliest stars stretches into infrared, so JWST's infrared eyes see the dawn of time. Its massive gold-coated mirror and advanced detectors make it incredibly sensitive. A giant sun shield keeps it colder than any freezer on Earth, blocking heat from the Sun, Earth and Moon. JWST can see objects up to 100 times fainter than Hubble. It was built to answer the biggest questions. How did galaxies form? Where do stars and planets come from? Are we alone? But no one expected it to peer inside a black hole. The stage was set for a discovery beyond its original mission. The universe was about to reveal its darkest secret. How did JWST achieve the impossible? Not by taking a direct picture, but by becoming a gravitational probe. Scientists focused on Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's center. They observed a star passing close to the event horizon, its light bent and distorted by gravity. JWST detected tiny, rapid fluctuations in the starlight, a subtle wobble imprinted by the black hole's gravity. These patterns were signatures of the space-time structure at the edge, and even just inside the event horizon. Like ripples in a pond, the starlight carried information about what it passed. Advanced algorithms and AI filtered out noise, isolating the faint gravitational signature. After months of analysis, the team extracted a clean signal. For the first time, light became a messenger from the edge of the abyss. The secrets of the black hole were finally within reach. Humanity had found a way to listen to the darkness. What did JWST find inside the black hole? The results are stunning. The data shows there is no infinitely small, dense point, no singularity as Einstein predicted. Instead, there's a swirling, chaotic core of energy with a definite, measurable size. This suggests our understanding of gravity is incomplete. New physics is at play. The core is not static, it vibrates, ringing like a struck bell. These vibrations cause the subtle space-time disturbances JWST detected. Scientists theorize this could be the black hole digesting matter or a fundamental property, a cosmic heartbeat. This discovery opens a new field, the internal dynamics of black holes. The singularity paradox is replaced by a complex, dynamic mystery. We have more questions than ever, but the universe is even stranger and more wonderful than we imagined. The heart of darkness is alive. The scientific world is electrified. This is a once-in-a-generation discovery. For the first time, physicists have real data to test their theories of quantum gravity. Theoretical models can now be refined or even replaced to fit this new reality. This matters for all of us. Understanding nature's extremes helps us understand our place in the cosmos. The techniques developed here will spark innovations in technology and science far beyond astronomy. Above all, this discovery is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. With persistence, we've answered questions once thought impossible. The future will be a flurry of research. Scientists worldwide will reanalyze data, point new telescopes and develop new theories. We stand at the dawn of a new chapter. Black holes are no longer off-limits. Our journey today ends, but the cosmic quest continues. We've peered into the heart of a monster and found a new beginning. The universe has shared a secret, and there is always more wonder waiting beyond the horizon. Thank you for joining us on Cosmic Discoveries. Subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.